What is up, Lambros? Guess what? Today's Wednesday. I am working. I've been working all day. It's about 5 in the afternoon, and I got some banking to do, so I'm going to go to the bank and then go check out the progress on the rental. So I thought you might want to see that. Oh, and check this out. I just got my new, look how big that thing is. Got my new American Express card wall art. And then look, I hung the Lambo pics in the office. Here's my office. Also, you got to see this view. The lion above the desk. So, let's get some art over there. Some pics of me with my tattoos. Pretty hot potato. Anyway, so we're going to go to the bank. And then I'm going to roll over to the rent house. See what's happening. We'll get some film. You can see what it looks like now that they... I think they've cleaned up some of that mess that was there. So we'll check it out. We'll be back. Okay, peeps, we're pulling the hood. But one of the things of the rent house. So one of the things, the bank was closed, by the way. So knuckleheads. So one of the things is we got to like fix the grass, right? So Chris just messaged me and said he's going to blast some stuff. So let's call him real quick.
Hello.
Yo, what up?
What up?
Okay, I'm pulling into the hood at the Shenandoah property.
Shenandoah?
You got you some nitrogen for blasting?
Yeah.
When are you gonna come by here?
I'm not gonna do it till tomorrow.
Okay.
Well, I thought about that. I was like, right when I sent that, I was like, fuck, I probably need to do that in the morning. And I'll tell you why. Not because I'm lazy and I don't want to do it, but because I don't have sprinklers, I don't have anything else. And if I put it on there and it's hot like it is, it's just gonna burn the fucking yard. I need to soak it and piss at it.
Yeah, right. Gotcha. Okay.
So I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning, and then I guess we're gonna probably have to alternate if you want to help me. Or I guess it's his water bill. Fuck you.
I don't even know. Like, maybe it is the water bill.
But I'm saying, like, you need, like, I'll have to go by and turn it on a couple times a day. Maybe you turn it on a couple times a day, let it run for half an hour, and go, hey, I kicked it on, and then I go kick it off or whatever.
Okay, cool. Just so it stays nice and soaked. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So once we soak it in, that shit'll turn like lime green.
Cool. Well, I'm looking at it now. There's grass growing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's not bad. But I'm telling you, when you put this shit on there, you're gonna see. Watch, I promise you.
Yeah.
Cool. Did you do anything at your house?
No. You want to hit my house too?
I was gonna say I bought 2 bags, so.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get all the houses. Let's make them all green up, bro.
White people problems.
Yeah, I just pulled up to the. Shenandoah. I'm gonna walk back there and check it all out. So.
It looks good. They did a good job. They got it all cleaned up, nice, fancy.
Cool. And did they take down that deck thing or that cover?
The deck thing.
No. Like the gondola, whatever the heck they call that. That falling down wood porch.
Dude, honestly, I don't know. In the pictures they sent me, I didn't think I saw it. But then again, I didn't tell them to take it down. So.
All right, no sweat.
Down, they fucked up and did it. But I mean, I don't know if we try and save that or we just take it down.
No, I think we take it down. It's falling apart, bro.
Is it that bad?
Oh yeah, it's like splitting and it looks like crap.
Yeah, we could, if we painted it, would it look good?
No, there's no top. There's no roof on it. It's pointless.
It's like a shitty little arbor that a tweaker built. You probably built it.
No, I did not build it. It was I might have had something to do with it though.
I was talking to Sally yesterday about it. She's like, the house just has so many bad memories.
Yeah,
like Steve
I know.
Tweaking, making little rooms in the attic. And
I know. That's right. Well,
I was like, but you bitch about want to get rid of it and fucking whatever.
Right. Yeah.
I swear, dude, your wife, I love her to death, but gosh damn it, you gotta stop letting her watch TV.
Oh, is she watching HGTV?
Yeah, well, she was like, refers to that shit about everything. She's like, well, on HGTV they said that. I was like, oh my God, you are not that person.
Yeah, that's funny.
Sally, we were better than that.
I'm gonna tell her that.
Do not tell her. She'll get pissed off at me and then won't talk to. Do not.
All right, I'll try not to make it on.
Tell her that, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I'll try to take it off the video that I'm filming right now.
Oh, I bet. You probably are, you cocksucker.
Yeah. All right, renter's standing out here staring at me. I'm going to go check it out.
He's probably trying to sell you his fucking Armada.
Later.
Bye.
Bye. All right, anyway. Ooh, Sally, Chris had some words for you, bro. So anyway, I'm going to go in here and see what this looks like. Later. I'm going to...
Tired tree trunk over there on the corner's not gone yet. They got it down to about maybe 3 feet.
Yeah. And I guess they're going to come back and cut those trees down. That, whatever they call that tree. Yeah, well.
Nuisance, that's right.
Well, they got all the rocks out. Yeah, this is going to take some dirt doing. And grass. And Chris has come by in the morning to, he's going to hook a sprinkler up, and then we're going to put some nitrogen on the grass.
Oh, kind of.
Yeah.
Fernland.
Yeah, just to make the grass look better. Yeah, okay, well, here's the French drains that don't work. We'll have to yank those out. Yeah, I think they're supposed to take those trees down. I don't think he realized that they did it, so. Chris, these trees, bro, you're gonna see this after, but the trees need to be gone. We'll be back. All right, people, here's the deal. This is the grass that we're about to nitrogen it. I mean, it's pretty, I mean, there's some grass in there. There's some Bermuda in there, you know? And then we got to go up here and clean all this out and trim those things down. I think we're going to paint the brick white. I don't know. So we'll see. And then I didn't really film my interaction with the renter, just because I don't want to put him on, I don't want to put them on blast if they don't want to be on camera, but so I let him know about a month, 3 weeks ago, that we were going to be redoing the house, and he was probably going to have to find another place. And then he wanted to buy the house. If you saw it in the last video that I previous video about this that I posted. So we decided that we're not going to sell the house to him. I don't know if I'm going to sell the house. We were definitely going to fix it up and get it ready to either rent or sell. And so I kind of talked to him about that. And this is the other thing that is important, is that that you just do the right thing and you honor people on the way out and they're in a relationship. So the first thing I did is I just said, hey, look, I gave him notice the other day to be out within 30 days, which would put him through like the 16th of July. And then he also has, and I just told him, look, don't worry about paying rent for July. He'll have almost a little bit more than half of a month of free rent. And then deposit. He paid me a deposit of $1,200, like, I mean, 9 years ago. And so I'm gonna give him his deposit back. Now, the house is tore up. I'm gonna spend some money, but that isn't the point, you know? I want to help this guy move on to his next place and have no bad blood, and that is a small amount of money to have some peace and not leave someone with a bad taste in their mouth. So anyway, tonight I'm headed to, so it's a friend's birthday. We're going to Dallas this weekend with her, but today's her birthday. So I'm going to go get her some flowers. This is one of my best friend's wife, and we're going to go get her some flowers. She doesn't know we're coming. We're going to show up at their dinner and give her a nice bouquet of flowers. So I will not film that, but maybe I'll film getting the flowers. So I'll be back. Okay, I made it to the Reesers, and I got a worker to get me flowers. Sally just loves being on camera, so anyway, these are the flowers we're going to take, and I did have Sally come pick them out. You did good, babe. I think she's going to like them. They're not too crazy big, so when they go on the table, we just have to take the price tag off. Deb, if you're watching this, those cost $1 million. There was like no amount of money that could buy such beautiful flowers. So later. All right, so we're at the local Reesers, and we're gonna head home and then head down to Mondo's. So Mondo's is a great restaurant in Tulsa. If you haven't been there, go check it out. But maybe I'll do some more deals here when I'm in the car, and maybe I won't, and maybe I'll throw the camera on when we get to the restaurant, and maybe I won't. Later.